वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो ऑफ आर प्रोग्रामिंग फॉर स्टैटिस्टिक्स। यस, आपने सही सुना है कि हम लोग आर प्रोग्राम को यूज करके कैसे स्टैटिस्टिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। और अगर आपको आर नहीं भी आता है दैट ऑल्सो नो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज मैं आपको एकदम बेसिक से सारी चीजें आपको सिखाऊंगी, आपका कोई भी डाउट नहीं रहेगा। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। और अगर आपको फर्दर कोई क्लासेस, मॉक टेस्ट या फिर डाउट क्लियरिंग और गाइडेंस चाहिए, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉन्टेक्ट डॉक्टर सौरव सर क्लासेस। द फोन नंबर and WhatsApp number is down there. It's 9836793076. So let's get started. So first we will do with the data frame. Okay, the data frame is the data, and we will use the data frame function to store the data, and we run it, and we can see that we have run the data. So let me get it. So we will see the data. Let's see. So we have seen the data. Now we will measure the dispersion. So not directly, we can't use standard deviation like we have used in vectors. That's a direct form. We can't use that. Now we will use different another method. So first we have to check for numeric value, because all this kind of value functions can only work in numerics, not in categorical variables. So we will use is it numeric data, and then we will apply. So as apply. Now we will use the function. So find range, which, and over here we can't directly use range because range will only gives you a min max. We have to find a difference in range and the variance and the standard deviation. So we will use dispersion, and we will apply that into this value. So as numeric, first we find the numeric columns, then we will find the subsets of it, then we will apply the apply the function. Apply is just nothing but apply this function on all the subset numeric values, the data set that we will find, and then we will just simply print it, and like this we will get the value. So now you can see how easy it is, but there is another easier way, much more easier way than this, which I'll teach you in the next video, which will make it more easy. It will be all done in just one code. Can you imagine? So let's meet in the next video. Today till here. Thank you.